In this video,
we will learn how to connect mic to Fortnite. In order to connect your mic to your Fortnite game, all you need to do is firstly open up Fortnite. After that, head to the profile section from the top right hand side of your screen. From here, go to the settings menu. After coming to the settings menu, you need to head to the communications tab. In here, under the voice chat section, you will find the voice chat input device. All you need to do is set the voice chat device to the appropriate device that you are currently using. Normally it will be set to default, which is completely fine, and it will pick up the mic you are currently using. But for some reason it's not picking up your voice correctly. All you need to do is switch it to the appropriate mic in order to check out what mic your PC is currently using for you. Just minimize your Fortnite game. Right click on the audio button from the bottom right hand side of your screen and go to sound settings. From here, check out the input device and which input device you are currently using. So after checking out the device, all we need to do is head back into the game. From here, we need to change the device to the appropriate device, hit apply and get into the game. So this is how you can easily connect mic to our Fortnite game and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.